The Filipino antonyms bukas or open in English and sarado or closed in English. Bukas, open, sarado, closed. Bukas, sarado. Bukas, sarado. Bukas ang linya para sa mga tanong. It means that the line is open for questions. Bukas is open and then linya is line para for and then tanong is question. Mga is the plural marker, mga tanong questions. Bukas ang linya para sa mga tanong. Sarado ang tindahan dahil sa pista. It means that the store is closed because of the festival. Sarado is closed. Tindahan is a store dahil because pista is a festival or a celebration or a feast. Sarado ang tindahan dahil sa pista. Kailangan nating panatilihing bukas ang usapan. We need to keep the discussion unrestricted or we need to keep the discussion open. Kailangan is need natin is we, panatilihin is to maintain, bukas open, and then ang usapan is a discussion or conversation. Kailangan nating panatilihing bukas ang usapan. Ang garahe ay sarado tuwing gabi. The garage is locked every night. Garahe is a garage. Sarado is closed. Gabi is evening. Tuwing is every. So tuwing gabi is every night or every evening. Ang garahe ay sarado tuwing gabi. Bukas, once again, it means open and then sarado is closed. Bukas, open, sarado, closed. Bukas, sarado. Bukas, sarado.